I first heard about Coppett Hill on my university's career page. The application process was fairly quick. It was 4 stages, but all quite near one another. The final one was an interview with our CEO, which was quite exciting, and the overall process was really interesting. You meet lots of people in the company, and you learn much about the company.
Yeah, I recommend that you are interested in business and actively read and look up about businesses you're interested in. A technical mindset and some technical experience outside of Excel would be helpful.
My tips for people that are looking to apply to Coppett Hill would be twofold. One is do a bunch of case studies, scour the internet, check out what's available out there in terms of case books, practice with a friend. And the second part of advice that I have is to maybe do a bit of technical knowledge gain. What I mean by that is perhaps go on data camp, do a course or two on SQL, and learn a bit of coding.